Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade on Wednesday, February 6, 2013. Mixed market closing out the day today. The S&P up a fraction, same goes for the Dow. Nasdaq in negative territory, but not by much. Russell's up 0.34%. What's interesting here is seeing Nasdaq Russell's deemed as the leaders in the markets actually splitting here, with Nasdaq trailing, but the Russells beating out, small caps beating out all the other major indices. And here, looking at the banks up 0.13%, VIX down 2.26%, it's down below 13.5. We have gold up more than 1/4%, about the same on silver, not quite as good, and you have crude oil here up just a mere fraction, and then the US dollar up 0.32%, putting a little pressure on today's markets. And transportation index actually in negative territory by 0.2%, actually taking away any bullish activity that we're seeing here on the Dow. And utilities, which is a defensive sector, up 0.18%. And taking a look here at the markets, you'll see that the markets last few days have been going this white, red, white, and then today we were red for a while, and I just assumed it would go red all the way down. We didn't see that, and actually rallied back up, giving us kind of a dragonfly doji. Dragonfly doji at the top of a run or at the bottom of a run tends to hold some weight, but because this is inside consolidation, it is mute, meaningless, doesn't mean anything to you or I. And we're at this resistance point, this trend line that continues to get tested. So at this moment, it wouldn't behoove anybody to be long or short now until the markets make a breakout move or starts to break down. So I would stay pat, stay flat the market. And if you look on this big white one, I had this little pullback and a big pop here, and you had a lot of euphoria setting in, a lot of people interested in buying, and you had the greed come in. But the very next day, you had an onslaught of selling take place when fear started hitting the market, and people started selling off, selling off, selling off, selling off. However, overnight, people thought, hey, another buying opportunity with the drop, let's get back in. Boom, things shot up yesterday, and today we seesawed a little bit. So with that, the markets are driven by fear and greed, precisely the thing I will be talking about tonight. It's a free online class. We only do this once a month. Use it or lose it. Best thing you could do is get signed up on the website. And you can find that right here. Psychological analysis. And that'd be 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Pacific. And if you cannot make the training, no big deal. Anybody who registers, that means anybody who registers through this link right here, free registration, will in fact get a recording of this event. It is very popular and very good. You definitely do not want to miss this, especially if you are a savvy trader. So thank you for sharing this with your friends out there in the trading world and the trading communities that you're a part of. We do sincerely appreciate that.